Hello everyone, my name is Megan and welcome to welcome back. I always have people say that I say that too quickly. So for those of you who are wondering what I've been saying this entire time, hello everybody, my name is Megan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, then welcome back. If you've not saw the title of today's video, this is my 10th update, I think it's number 10. It's for sure number 10. It's my 10th update in my 2024 Rolling Project 10 Pan series. This is my last update. Next month, at the beginning of December, will be my finale, and we will see how I finally wrapped up the year. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in. I do have one rollout. I have my notes. That's not the right month. Oh, no, that is. I have my little tally marks in front of me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump on in. So to start off, I have my Hooded Tan Tour. My goal is to put this on 50 uses, Well, my goal is to use this 50 times. I did roll it in last update, and I have used it 20 times. I guess I'll go ahead and go this side so that way my last month's product, or my last month's pictures are right there. So yeah, I was hoping to get 25 uses out of it this month, but there were quite a few days that I just didn't wear any makeup. So this is what we're looking like, which means I do need 30 uses in the next 30 days. So I probably won't hit my goal. Unless I really am just able to like break it out right now in this home stretch, but that is what that is looking like. I also have my NARS Laguna bronzer. My goal on this one is to hit pan. I used it an additional 24 times this month, bring me to a grand total of 133 uses, and there is still no pan in sight. I think I'm getting close. People keep saying like, oh, next month, like I am so close. You can definitely see there's like an impression of the pan. Like I think I'm getting really close. I just haven't hit pan yet. This is also a really old product, and on top of that I bought it from TJ Maxx, so I don't actually know how old this thing is, but it's not new, let me just say it that way. But yeah, so I mean it's definitely a hardly pressed formula, and again I just don't know how old this is, so there's a chance that this is just like straight up hard pan the entire way through, which is kind of why it's taking me so long. There's definitely an indent. If I'm very careful I can feel where there's an indent. But yeah, I've used this 133 times. And I will say too, I use this on my eyes and my cheeks. That counts as one use. This is like, my version of a use is like one day of wear. If I put on a full face of makeup, go to work, wash my face, put on a full face of makeup, and go out, that's 2 uses. But if I put my makeup on for like any reason, that is just 1 use, no matter how many times I actually use my product. So I don't think we're gonna hit pan in the next month. I would love it if we did, but I kinda don't think we will. Last month I also rolled in my ABH banana powder. This is what it looks like this month. I have come to learn that this banana powder just does not work for me. So I've used it 23 times. My goal is 40 uses, so I have 17 uses left. I can definitely hit that in the next month. However, again, it's just like, it's a little dark. So what I have found myself doing is I will take a powder puff and put it into this pink shade and apply that under my eyes, and then literally just like tap my brush in. I swear I'm picking up almost nothing, and like buff off any excess from that pink powder onto my under eyes, because if I use like this one, it's just too dark. I mean, hello, what was I thinking? Clearly the pink is the better suited color. I will say though, I've made quite a significant dip in the last month in this pink powder, but not so much in the banana powder, but it's okay. I still want to make sure I dip into it at least 40 times, and again I am 23 of those times in, so I feel very confident that I can use it up 17 times in the next 30 days to round out my project. So there's that. I then have my Nude Sticks Tahiti Hottie, and I had a less significant jump this month than last month. So my goal is 60 uses, and if we can see it right over here, I'm currently at 47, so I used it 27 times this month and 20 times the prior month. So I had 20 uses got me this huge jump, and then 27 only got me, there's a glare, there we go. 20 uses got me the big jump, and then 27 got me the small jump. And the reason why I did that, or why it worked out that way, is because for the first month I was using it, I would like squish product out, put it on my fingers, and then apply, and I felt like my face always just looked bruised. So then for the second month I would take it, whatever was on this little applicator that is broken, right, this little stick, I would just like dot that onto my face. So that makes sense as to how 20 uses can be significantly more usage than 27. I'm trying to find a middle ground though to like make sure I'm using adequate product but not like making myself look bruised. But yes, so again, 60 uses is my goal. I've used 47 times, which means I do only have 13 uses left. So again, I feel very confident that this will be rolled out by the finale. Then I have my e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Pearl Glow. I have a 75 use goal on this one. I've used it 20 times during the last month. I did hit a surprise pan last month, but I have used it 20 times this past month, bringing me to a grand total of 57 uses, meaning of my 75, I only have 18 remaining. So again, I feel very confident that this product will get rolled out next month. I say rolled out like it's the finale. I'm not rolling anything in at the finale, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Okay, then I have my Anastasia pomade, and this product, my goal is to like finish it. I'm really just gonna see how many uses I can get before the end of the year. I used it an additional 26 times, bringing me to 106 uses. I don't have any way to track this. The packaging is too opaque. They're really, I mean, like if I like really scoop across the sides, I can kind of get some windowing, but not enough for me to really warrant anything. I did pull the stopper out of this one point just to see, and it seemed like there was a ton of product, but I also kind of hate it. So I think I'm just going to declutter it after this year, but I want to get as many uses out of it as I possibly can this year, like before the end of November, December. So there's that. Then I have my NYX Nude Beige Lip Liner. Hey Milo, I need you to not do whatever it is that you're doing right now, please. Thank you. Originally my goal was 25 uses, and I was just going to try to cycle through some of my lip liners, and then I decided, you know what, let's change this up. How about, because if you are checking out my No Pan Left Behind, it's up in the cards if you were interested, I have kind of like a cool toned palette, so this is a cool tone lip liner, so I feel like it just kind of goes better. But so I decided to change this from my 25 use goal to a 70 use goal and just keep this in through the remainder of the year. I used it an additional 17 times this month, bringing me to 40 uses total, so I still have 30 uses in the next month. This is what we are looking like in comparison to the palm of my hand, so there is definitely some progress being made, but I also have little notches, so here is where we are currently. And yes, it does go all the way to the bottom, but of course you can't use the bottom chunk of the lip liner. So this is where I rolled it in, what, 2 months ago I guess, and then last month, and now this month. So there is, I'm going to just try to get real close here just to show you, there has been a big jump in product. Oh shoot, 2 months ago, and then one update after that, 2 updates after that, and now here we are. But yes, but also this is like a small notebook, so it's not as scary as it seems. But yeah, we're making some progress there. Again, I will need to use it 30 additional times this month, so that is going to be similar to the Hooded Tantor. I don't know that I'm going to use it 30 times. I feel like it's easier to use lip liner 30 times maybe. I don't know. We will see. But yes, I have 30 uses left until I hit my goal. Then for my rollout, I have my Lawless Forget the Filler. There's random marks up here. I ended up pulling out the stopper because I wanted to give it a try. Why not? I was basically empty. That's the first and last time I'm ever doing this. I'm never pulling a stopper out of a lip gloss ever again, out of any product ever again, actually. There's clearly still some product left, but this thing leaks so badly that it is literally not usable. Even if it's upright like this in my little drawer, there's lip gloss on everything that I own in that drawer. So I'm just calling it done. If I had left the stopper in, it would have been done anyway. So yeah, this is what it looks like though. It's empty. It's a mess. I literally, oh, it's not even gonna go in my empties bin, it's gonna go straight in the trash. So there's that. Okay, then I have my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. It's a little mini size. I swear it's doll makeup. My goal was to finish this. I have 1 more month to do so. This is what it looks like currently. I've definitely made some progress. It doesn't feel like I have, but I for sure have made progress. I will obviously also have my picture from last month posted off to the side, as you can see. But yeah, 17 uses. I don't think, I mean, I think I can use this up in the next month if I like really put my mind to it, but I'm gonna have to really work at it because I just forget to reapply my lipstick. And then last thing before I show you what I'm rolling in, this is my Jouer Duo. It's the Marigold, sorry, it's the Rose Gold like blush duo in the shades Marigold and Rose Petal. And so I am working on this Marigold shade down here. My goal is to use it 40 times, and I'm currently at 21 uses, meaning I have 19 left this month, or like for the upcoming month, before I can consider it finished. So there is that. For the one product I'm rolling in place of this Lawless Forget the Filler, I am rolling in this Lawless Forget the Filler. This has been sideways. I kind of didn't plan ahead, so I'll have a mark for you next time. I'm gonna let this sit upright, I'll make a mark as to where it is, and then I'll show you next update where the marks are. But yep, this is pretty much, I've only used it a handful of times, so I feel pretty confident that I have the majority of the month to like use this. I don't think I will run out after like, you know, 10 days or something like that. But yeah, that's everything. I'm very excited. I think this is going to be a really successful year. I mean, I know it has been a really successful year, but I think I will hit all of my goals by the end, with the exception of maybe my 2 products that I need 30 uses on still, which is that Hooded Tantour and the NYX Nude Beige Lip Liner. But other than that, I would still call this very successful. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did appreciate it, give it a thumbs up down below, leave a comment if you want to see more of me in the future, go and subscribe down below as well, and I hope you have a great rest of your day or year, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!